Hello, dear Cancerians. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading from 21st of May till 31st of May. You can say May end. So, I'll tap into a partner's energy, what they feel for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from your person till 31st of May. Okay, so let's start. And keep in mind, these are journal readings. This might or might not resonate with you. Okay, so take the part which resonates with you and leave the other. So let's see. Your partner's current energy, Cancerians, right now. Your partner's current energy right now is Ace of Swords. I feel like this person is starting all over again. Okay, this person is in this victorious state of mind. And I feel like this person is cutting all the toxicity of the past, all the negativity of the past, and starting their life all over again. Let's clarify further Ace of Swords in their current energy. Let's see the story behind this Ace of Swords, what they are starting all over again. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. The Tower, the Ten of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like there is some kind of breakup, or there's some kind of separation, and this separation is making them feel like a burden. And after this separation, after coming out of this negative state of mind, now they are focusing on themselves, focusing on their money, on their business, on their life. Okay, and I feel like this Ten of Pentacles for me is the card of prosperity. So 10 number is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, the start of a new beginning. It is the new beginning. Okay, now after this breakup thing, after letting them down for a very long time, now they are feeling this urge to start their life all over again. This is the Ace of Swords. This is their current energy. They want to have a victorious start, they want to have a life, and a successful life, and they want to start all over again after cutting down all the toxicity, all the negativity. Okay, so let's see your current energy right now, Cancerians. Your current energy right now, Cancerians, is the Three of Cups. I feel like you are in this energy of reconciliation. You are in this energy of celebration. You are feeling like you should celebrate something. So right now might be you are with your family, or you are in this certain position of uh, where you are celebrating something with somebody, or it could also mean that you are in this reconciliation phase and you want to reconciliate with this particular person. Let's clarify Three of Cups. Let's clarify Three of Cups. Let's clarify the Magician, the High Priestess, and the Queen of Wands. So I feel like, Cancerians, I should not say that I don't know I should say it or not, but I feel like you are kind of using some kind of might be black magic, or might be some kind of magic or spells or something like that, to have this reconciliation, because you are feeling very passionate about this particular person. Okay, this is what you are doing. So the Magician and the High Priestess together are telling me that you are doing something to reconcile, because you are very passionate about this particular person in your life, Cancerians, and now you are might be using the law of attraction technique, or you might be using some kind of spells or some kind of secret techniques to manifest this person back in your life, because you feel very attracted to this person, well, because you feel like this person makes you feel very happy and passionate, and that is why you are using these types of techniques to reconcile with this particular person. Stop this, Cancerians, I'm telling you. This is very bad. If you're using some kind of black magic or something bullshit, or if you're using law of attraction techniques and the beautiful techniques, then it is fine. But if you're using some kind of negative techniques, stop that. That is not going to work out. That is going to backfire. Okay, so let's see what your person's feelings for you right now are, Cancerians. Your partner's current feelings for you. Queen of Wands. Yes, they are also passionate about this connection. They are also passionate about you, but I feel like it is more of a physical energy, right, rather than a emotional energy. Cancerians, this person is very physically attracted towards you. Okay, this person feels like a pull towards you, a physical attraction towards you, a sexual energy towards you. This is the thing that I'm getting right now. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands further, what they are passionate about as their feelings. The Nine of Cups, the Temperance, and the Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like this is kind of wish fulfillment. You are their wish fulfillment, and they're trying to balance out the waters in their life, balance out their emotions, balance out their temptation. They are being patient with this particular connection, and they are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, they are ready to put in the work in this connection. Okay, might be I feel like this person feels like you are somewhat a wish fulfillment to them, and they are balancing that, they are trying to balance their emotions for you, because they are feeling a lot of emotions of physical attraction towards you, and they are working on their emotions right now, because they feel like they should work on their emotions, because they are feeling very very passionate about you. They are feeling very very attracted towards you. This is their feelings for you, Cancerians. What this person wants from you, Cancerian, let's see what this person wants from you. The world. I feel like there's some kind of unfinished business in this connection. There's some kind of conversation required, there's some kind of things required to finish, to start all over again. I feel like you want to reconcile with this person, that I can see. This person wants to have a brand new beginning in their life, okay, and that is why they want to finish this unfinished business that is required in this connection. Okay, so I feel like there's some kind of unfinished business in this connection, and they want to finish that. This is what this card is telling me intuitively. Let's clarify the world as what they want from you, Cancerians. Let's clarify. Page of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Pentacles. So, after finishing this business, this person is feeling like they should have a brand new beginning with you, and they want to have a solid and spiritual connection with you. And the Queen of Pentacles is telling me that they want stability in this connection, because I feel like there's some kind of imbalance in this relationship and in this connection. There's something that is not working out, and they wants to eventually things to settle down and finish some kind of unfinished business and start all over again. This is the card. This is the world card. Okay, that is what they want from you. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to start all over again, maybe just as a friend, and they want to have a spiritual journey with you, to connect with you on a spiritual level, and to have balance in this connection, to have stability in this particular connection. What to expect from your person till 31st of May, Cancerians? What to expect from your person till 31st of May? Yeah, jump all over again. These cards are very slippery. So, what to expect from this person? Four of Pentacles, holding back. I don't see this person coming towards you, Cancerians, till 31st of May. They are holding back. Although they are having lots of physical passion towards you, although they want to finish some kind of unfinished business and start all over again, but I feel like this person is not talking to you till 31st of May, or they are trying to hide their emotions, control their emotions. They are holding back for the time being. I don't know why they are acting like this. You know it better, Cancerians. Okay, and you are just manifesting this person back in your life. You are waiting for them very very eagerly. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles, the Moon, Page of Swords, and the Four of Wands. Yes, this person is going through subconscious fears. The Moon to me is some kind of subconscious fears going on in their mind, that things will not might be work out in the situation in the manner that I want them to be. Page of Swords is like they are spying on you. They might be checking out you on your Facebook or Insta or social media page or something like that, and they feel like they feel like they want some more clarity if they want you as as their long term partner. This is what is going on. This is what they are holding back from, and that is why they are holding up, because there's some kind of subconscious fears going on in their life. There's some kind of secrets that they have to work on. There's some kind of hidden things that they have to work on, and they're spying on you big time. They're spying on you from through social media, Facebook, and all that. And they are in this zone of, yes, they want this connection to grow into a very very solid commitment of relationship, but right now they have some kind of fears going on in their life. There's some kind of blockage in their intuition. They're not able to listen to their intuition, and that is why they're holding back. Okay, so let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck, Cancerians, for you as an advice, or you can say as a message. What is the message for you guys? calm, free, stability, security, growth, flexibility, endurance. This is what is coming towards you. Stability, endurance, flexibility. If you allow your energy, if you allow your energy to freely flow into the universe in a positive manner. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancerians. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight regarding this particular person. So let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is required. Thank you so much. Namaste. God bless you. This is Anjali.